If you're a homeowner in Tysons, VA, you may be wondering how to boost your property's value, whether for future resale or simply to improve comfort and efficiency. One of the best investments you can make is replacing your windows. Not only do new windows enhance curb appeal, but they also improve energy efficiency, security, and overall home value. Let's explore how window replacement in Tysons can be a smart financial decision and why it matters in today's real estate market. Boosts curb appeal and first impressions. The exterior of your home is the first thing potential buyers and guests notice. Outdated, worn-out windows can make even a well-maintained home look old and uninviting. Modern window designs can instantly refresh your home's look. Sleek, energy-efficient frames in colors that complement your exterior boost attractiveness. Larger, strategically placed windows enhance natural light and create a welcoming feel. Real estate agents in Tysons agree. Homes with updated windows tend to attract more buyers and sell faster than those with outdated ones. Improves energy efficiency and lowers utility costs. One of the most significant ways window replacement increases home value is through energy efficiency. Many older homes in Tysons still have single-pane or poorly insulated windows, which let heat escape in winter and allow too much warmth inside during summer. New energy-efficient windows come with double or triple pane glass for better insulation, low E coatings that reflect heat and UV rays, argon or krypton gas-filled panes that reduce thermal transfer. These features reduce heating and cooling costs, making your home more desirable to energy-conscious buyers. In fact, according to the National Association of Realtors, homeowners can recoup up to 72% of their window replacement costs when selling their home. Increases home security and safety. Modern windows are designed with advanced security features, making them harder to break and improving overall home safety. Features that enhance security include reinforced frames that resist forced entry, multi-point locking systems for added protection, impact-resistant glass that can withstand extreme weather or attempted break-ins. Buyers in Tysons' competitive housing market appreciate safety features, and a secure home can be a major selling point. Reduces outside noise for a more peaceful home. Tysons is a busy, rapidly developing area, with increasing traffic, commercial zones, and new construction. If your home is near a highway, business district, or bustling neighborhood, you may deal with unwanted noise pollution. New windows with noise-reducing technology. Use thicker glass and soundproofing materials. Feature double or triple pane designs to block external noise. Create a quieter, more relaxing home environment. For buyers who prioritize peace and comfort, noise reduction is a highly valuable upgrade. Eliminates the need for immediate repairs or upgrades. When buyers see old, damaged windows, they often view it as an extra expense they'll have to deal with after purchasing the home. This can lead to lower offers or longer time on the market. By replacing your windows before listing, you make your home move-in ready, a key selling point. Eliminate buyer concerns about drafts, leaks, or inefficiency. Strengthen your negotiation position, leading to higher offers. In a competitive real estate market like Tysons, buyers prefer homes that don't require immediate upgrades. Increases natural light and enhances indoor appeal. Bright, naturally lit spaces make a home feel more open, spacious, and inviting. Older windows with small panes, heavy frames, or discoloration can make rooms appear dark and outdated. By upgrading to larger, more modern windows, you can make living spaces feel bigger and more open. Showcase beautiful outdoor views of Tysons landscapes. Improve indoor ambiance with warm, natural light. When buyers walk into a well-lit home, it immediately feels more inviting and valuable. Provides a high return on investment, ROI. Home improvements vary in terms of return on investment, ROI. But window replacement is one of the top renovations for value. According to Remodeling Magazine, homeowners who invest in vinyl or wood window replacements can expect an ROI between 68–72% at resale. Additional financial benefits include lower energy bills leading up to the sale, higher home appraisal value due to modern upgrades, tax incentives for energy-efficient window installations. For homeowners looking to maximize their home's value in Tysons, window replacement is a strategic, high-impact upgrade. Final thoughts. Is window replacement worth it for Tysons homeowners? Absolutely. Replacing your windows before selling, or even for long-term enjoyment, adds immense value to your home. You'll benefit from a modern, refreshed look that attracts buyers, lower energy costs and better efficiency, enhanced security and noise reduction, a higher sale price and faster resale. If you're considering a window replacement project in Tysons, VA, now is the perfect time to invest in your home's future. Reach out to a professional window contractor today to explore your options and start maximizing your home's value.